watchers and YouTubers, guess what? I just crossed the border. Yep, crossed the border into Oklahoma. It's a little gloomy day today. Nice and green. Everything's nice and green. Oh, I like that. Still green, I should say. The further out west you get it, the less green it is. And I'm so excited because I had an unplanned second stop of my journey on my way to the WWR 2025 meetup. And we will return. That's our motto. So I am excited about that. And on my journey, since I have a little time to spare before the meetup in Texas, I am able to make a few stops and visit a few of my friends and former nomads. Yes. So I'm glad that you're coming along with me. I'm happy that you decided to take this journey with me. Some of my videos might be short and sweet, and some might be a little bit longer, but I'll try to keep them short and sweet. Next surprise stop. If I can find it. Hold on. I should recognize it from the picture, but I might not. Because this ain't it. Here's the street. But if I passed it, I'm sure she'll be calling me. I think it's right up here. I know it's on the corner. Wait, she's going to probably be standing out there with her camera on. I see the house. I don't know if she's waiting. I think it's right here on the corner. She said she lived on the corner. There she is. Look who's here. Hi, Banjo. She knew I was going to be having the camera on. Look how cute they are watching TV together. So we're going to have, look at Dana's taking out all this stuff. Okay, you want to be, Dana don't mind being on it then, right?
No, I don't mind at all.
And she's in her kitchen. Oh, look at Danny. Danny's not going to miss anything that Dana might drop on the floor.
No.
And there is Mr. Banjo.
Well,
Mr. Banjo.
These are our Chinese sausages.
Oh, these are...
I steamed that with rice, just because I know you like sausages.
Chinese
and stuff
sausages.
Like
What's it called again?
That's what I call it, because I don't know how to pronounce it.
Chinese sausages.
Yeah.
Oh, they're so good.
If you Google Chinese sausages, then you will find them.
Okay.
They're like kind of a sweet. They probably have sugar on them, but I've read on there it doesn't have a ton. But
yeah, but I'm already not doing keto. So
yeah, we're just gonna do a little snack tray for now, a little salad snack, and I have some proteins. I have beef. I have chicken. I have some jalapeno cheese sausages.
She thinks you're talking to her.
Oh, am I telling you everything? I've got sausages. I've got eggs. Oh, I've got eggs. I could do some boiled eggs.
Danny.
Do you like soft boiled eggs?
So these are from Tammy and Charlie.
Yeah, look at
I shared them.
these are.
We're gonna try these tomatoes. I've never had this kind of tomato.
Over. Look at all this beautiful stuff you brought.
Yeah, I brought them in to share with
These peppers.
Dana.
Those ones I already washed.
Yeah, we're gonna try
now,
those.
these are not hot, right?
They're not hot. They're like what we used to call like Melrose peppers.
A banana pepper too. I need to wash one of those
And then
that over. So there's a
so Dana and I are here by ourselves. It's like a girls'
The
night.
kids are out at our grandson's football game with Dad.
Cool.
So all I do is I take the wide end and just. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's it, and then and that'll help the membrane come away from the shell.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's a good
I
thing
learned
to
that
know.
on TikTok, and everything you need to know, you learn on TikTok.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. I got my water right there. Yum, yum, yum. We're having a salad. We're having cottage cheese and a salad. And sausages and all kinds of good stuff. Don't matter. Doesn't matter. Dinner at the full tiny house. Oh, actually, I was only going to take a picture, but since you said video, I'll video. Look what Dana made. Chicken and shrimp and sausage. Oh, my God. It looks so good. We got a big salad with avocados on the side. We got some cauliflower rice. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Aren't we blessed? We sure are blessed.
Yes.
Thank you for such a nice visit at your home to the Full Tiny House family. Dana, Steve, and the young adults. I won't say the kids anymore because they're grown-ups. I hope to see you soon.